Okay, we could do this. We could do this. We are going to be decluttering today. I'm going to be doing a whole purge of my entire closet of everything I own that is of clothing. So when we move into our new place, I do not want anything there that's not something that I love. So I'm going to take you along with me on my journey, and we're going to be doing some decluttering. Okay, so I'm going to show you what my closet looks like. Ta-da! All right, we have lots of clothing up here. These are just my suitcases. Okay, and then the other side. Okay. So in general, I am not a minimalist. Nope. I wouldn't say I'm a maximalist either. It's hard for me to get rid of things. So I'm just looking at all the stuff that I have. Most of the time, I'm not even wearing most of it. There are some questions that I do have to keep me accountable, and they are right here. Number 1, would I buy it again at full price? 2, would I be sad if it got stolen? 3, do I like myself more when I'm wearing it? 4, would I wear it tomorrow? And then in case those questions don't work and I just want to keep everything, I made more questions, smaller. This is second string questions. 5, does it fit? 6, does it fit my lifestyle? 7, did I wear it within the last 12 months? And 8, am I the best owner for it? Alright, so let's get started. On the left side of my closet is more for special occasion items that I don't tend to wear a lot. And then on the right side of my closet, I tend to wear these items more. We're going to be brutal today because the next house that we go into, I want nothing there that I don't like. Okay, wetsuit, we're going to keep the wetsuit. I'm going to make a cute category over here. Okay, here we go. Prom dress. Pretty. Alright, this was my prom dress. And you know, for a long time I have had a hard time getting rid of this just because it's so pretty, but am I the best owner for it? No. Donate category. This is a really nice dress I got from Express. Okay, we're going to get rid of this. We're going to donate that. It'll make someone else happy. This is a really nice dress. I would wear this again. This was for my engagement shoot, and I still really like it, and I still fit it, so I'm going to keep this. Keep category. These are actually brand new dresses. I got them from Nordstrom Rack, so I'll keep that. These two, you know, I have another couple dresses just like this. One is black and one's emerald green, so since it's not used yet, I think, you know, I'm not the best owner for this. This is really nice for baby shower or bridal shower. This is the emerald green one, so I like this one. It's really good for winter weddings. I feel like I could get some good use out of this for a winter wedding, so I'll keep it. The strap kind of tore, so I'm gonna think about this one. Still a really nice dress. I want to keep this one. This is also a really nice dress, and I like it because it's a racer back, so I'm going to keep this one as well. Open edit from Nordstrom, so we're going to keep that. Okay, we're making some good progress. Would I wear this still? Yeah, I'm not doing a good job. This is when I was coaching. I'm going to get rid of that. Donate. Polo. Donate. Regular black athletic polo. I should keep that. And this is also for our work, so I got to keep that. Keep button downs for professional things. This, I have to make sure I'm careful about the undershirt I'm wearing underneath because it's kind of sheer. So something nude color would be good. I'll keep that. Keep that. I'm not doing a good job. Keep and keep. These are all from Express. This one's good. Okay. Okay, I know there's a bunch of stuff in my keep category, but sometimes I get sweaty armpits. This does show sweaty armpits. I'm going to get rid of. Bye. Sweat issue. This is gonna go bye-bye. That one time I was lecturing and I kept my arms down the whole time because it was just so bad. Zara. I have a longer torso, and then also my legs tend to be a little thicker, you know. I'll do a lot of weights. So with my thunder thighs and my longer torso, it tends to make me look shorter when items are longer and they hit me down here. So I tend to do more cropped items or like things where you can tuck it in. I'm going to the gym after this, so that's why I'm wearing gym clothes. You know, when you're motivated, you just gotta do it. So I'm gonna get rid of that. Okay, same thing. Zara, gonna get rid of this. Brand new from Theory. This also cuts me right here. Now, if I had really long legs and I looked like a cool assassin, I would totally keep this, but I don't have long legs. I do not have long legs. Yeah, these are gonna go bye-bye. Bye-bye. These are all either from Express, Banana Republic, get rid of. Younger me was like, yes, I love gray pants. I do not like gray pants now. They just make my thighs look really big. So, and because I am part of the itty bitty titty committee, for me, it's just not working out. So, bye-bye. And plaid, no more. I've had a few purges like since COVID. I paid good money for it, but I think no. That's gonna be a no. All right, my no category is getting bigger. In the past, I used to always watch minimalism videos just to get rid of things, and it's been awesome and really helpful. And I don't know, hopefully this motivates you to start getting rid of some things. From Lululemon, it's like a vest thing. I'm gonna keep this. I could wear this like over a swimsuit. I'm gonna keep this. Biking outfits, athletic wear that's white, gets so dirty, so I'm gonna get rid of this. Another one that I got for free, I'm gonna get rid of both of these. Sometimes I am the referee of something, so I'm gonna keep this. They're like high-rise skinny jeans. It'll come back in style. Here's a pair of Lucky Brand jeans. They're kind of like a stretchier version of skinny jeans. They're more mid-rise. I'm gonna keep this. Higher rise jean shorts. I don't know if low-rise is in or mid-rise or high-rise, but these are from American Eagle from high school. But I do wear them a lot every summer. Peep. Do you like these? For me, with my legs, my thighs, they either have to be like longer or like really short, which is why I tend to wear leggings a lot, so I'm just gonna get rid of this. I do like joggers a lot. Then you can just wear something cropped or something tight or something tucked in. From Abercrombie & Fitch, I'm gonna keep both of these. Finding a pair of jeans is really hard for me just because my longer torso, but these ones are good. And then they say, once you find a pair of jeans that you like, get them in every wash. So, wash 1, lighter, which I do like a lot. Wash 2, darker. I do like these a lot. Wash 3, darker. And I do like these a lot. Get everything in every wash. This wash does not look good on me. Get rid of. Okay, wow. Empty closet. All right, here's the progress. I have counted everything. I have gotten rid of 25 items. And then this is just, I want to see if I can mend that. All right, here we are to the right side of the closet. So this is more my casual wear. I have to keep this long thing here. Why? I don't know. Sometimes it's hard to hang everything up. And there'd be way too many things for me to hang up. All right, first item is a white Madewell top. We'll keep that. This I can only wear with those shorts, but I still like it. Good for beach. Abercrombie has really good bodysuits. I have some bodysuits somewhere in there that I don't like because I have a longer torso, so yeah, fredgy to the max, probably. And wedgie and fredgy. Itty bitty titty committee here. V-necks for years. Since high school I've tried to make them work, but in the end, no. This is old. I wouldn't buy it again. Would I buy it again at full price? This is gonna be this side. These 4 questions are gonna really apply to this side. Every time I have it, it just like slips off. No, I've had this for years and it's survived most of the purging. I feel like everyone needs a long sleeve Calvin Klein button up. I love Lori. Wonderful. V-neck. This is gonna go bye-bye. This is a Henley. I love Henleys. I also have pretty broad shoulders, but I haven't been line dancing in a long time. I also have my cowboy boots down there. I'm gonna get rid of that. I've had that for a really long time, and I don't even know where I got it from. Lori, I love Lori. I love these. These are my cropped sweaters. I'm gonna keep this, because this is good for summer. I would wear this. Abercrombie bodysuit. Yes. This one, it hits me here, so it makes my legs look shorter, so I have to wear skinny jeans with them and it still makes my legs look shorter. So this is gonna be a bye-bye because I would not buy that again. Lori, now I got my olive one. Lulu's has really good prices, and this is very scoop neck, like this. So I'm gonna be flashing people down there and flashing people up top. This is gonna be a bye-bye. Cozy. I got this at an artisan fair that I was a vendor at. Turtleneck. Now I'm gonna keep that. These have survived so many of my purges. I don't know how. Bye, blue one. I love this plaid top. This is cropped from American Eagle. Makes my legs look super long. Hawaiian Airlines gave me some money to buy some stuff from Hawaii. But I still don't like this. I would not buy it again, and it was really cheap. Lori again. Cropped, cute, Henley. This is really good if I'm wearing like a crop top. And then some leggings, and then you just leave this thing open. This is from Athleta. I wear this with leggings only. This is like old school Lululemon sweater. Bye. Bodysuits I don't like. Talking about fredgy and wedgie at the same time. Open Edit is a great brand, but I have too long of a torso. Here we go. Really nice. but I cannot keep. Fast fashion, Forever 21 bodysuit. This is before I found out what good bodysuits were from Nordstrom or from Abercrombie. That's gonna be a bye-bye no. So bye, bye, bye. Henley, yes, Henley, good. V-neck, no. Glory, yes, keep. Madewell, keep. Besides my long torso, I guess I have long arms because this dry cleaner man said, you wanna hem something with those long arms? And I said, oh, I guess I have long arms. And I have broad shoulders. This has like multiple pockets like everywhere to put like your pillow and passport and all that. But when I zip it up, hello sir, I'm not here to hurt anyone. I spent, I don't know, like $100 on this. I cannot. Lucky brand, and this was definitely a good purchase. I only pay once, buy once, cry once, and cute. Abercrombie dad coat. When I went to Japan, I got all this, and the ladies were so helpful. And also with this one, you can turn it into just a sleeveless version of a trench coat. It is so freaking cool. No, just got this. All right, this pile is getting bigger. All right, I feel like this is all just miscellaneous. A lot of it is athletic wear. This is gonna be hard for sure. Okay, we are gonna start at the top. A lot of my clothes from Lululemon I got in Canada, and I got it on discount, which was awesome, but that's not a reason to buy things, you know, especially if you're trying to be more minimal. All right, this first top, I got it from Acta. However, it's not very stretchable or breathable. All right, Lululemon, this is nice. I'm going to keep here for the arms, kind of see-through a little. Super pretty. Lululemon long sleeve top. Yep, then I got a black one. I'm gonna keep that. Green one, I love green color. This is from Under Armour. I don't really like it. I'm sorry, sis, purple just doesn't look good on me. Nike. Keep. Sage color. Keep. Here's another gray one from Lululemon. I like this one a lot. When I'm wearing this, it does make my legs look shorter. Okay, I feel like this is what I need to do. This. Would I buy it again at full price? No. Would I buy this Lululemon top again at full price? Scoop neck. No. From Nike. Keep. I don't know about you, but I am really bad at keeping white things white. Buy. Keep. Lululemon. Buy. Just because it's on sale and you get a discount does not mean you need to be buying things. Keep. It makes my shoulders look awesome. Keep. I feel confident in that. Keep. I haven't worn it in a long time, so I do like it, but it's gonna have to go. So that was like all workout stuff. Now we're getting into more workout stuff / casual wear. It makes no sense. Lucky shirt. Nah. From Lululemon. No. Oh, from Lululemon, they have something called Kate's Tea. Okay, Amazon workout stuff. Nah. Here's something from Forever 21. It's kind of like a crop top. I want to say I'm gonna wear it, but I never do. It makes me feel confident, but I wouldn't buy it again. Here's a white shirt from Lululemon. It is already getting kind of yellow. You know, I found out what makes shirts yellow. It's sunscreen. So sunscreen, not always sweat. It's sunscreen. Look, I got another white top. Did I get this one dirty? Keep. All right, I got some little crop tops. These were from Amazon. Maybe I'll try that. But you know, not this. Let me get rid of the brown one. The same one, but in black. This yellow Lululemon racerback top. Ooh, this is old. This is from high school. But you know, this is back in the surfer days. I am no longer surfing. Okay, this is from Barbados, but I don't like how I look in it, even though it's like a black racerback. It just shrinks funny, so no. Bye. Lake Tahoe shirt. This is really good for pajamas. Get rid of it. Scoop neck. I love this shirt. I play soccer in this. My sister-in-law got for me. I'm gonna keep this one. No. Black cami. So get rid of it. I have those professional things. I should wear it under. My pile's falling down. This one's good. Gotta be careful with the bra you wear though. Yep. Keep cropped shirt from Forever 21. Keep long sleeve. Comfy. No, I wouldn't buy it again. Keep. Not right now. It shows my sweat. Keep. Everyone needs a pair of spandex. Under Armour spandex. Nike spandex. Keep. Alright, I got this from Oakenfort for swimming. From Athleta. Joggers. Keep. Vuori joggers. Keep. Lululemon dance joggers. Keep. Vuori joggers. Keep. You know, camel toe. Buy. Lululemon maroon. Really nice, but maroon just makes my thighs look bigger than I want. No, I'm not saying big thighs don't look good. Big thighs are awesome, but in maroon like that, I don't like them that much. So I wear this sometimes when I'm at Orange Theory. They're right here. I don't wear that too much anymore. Lululemon shorts, I like these ones. Ooh, I like these ones. These are like swim shorts from Lululemon. Sage ones, I feel like I like these ones a lot too. The pink ones, and honestly, I don't wear a lot of shorts, so these are literally the only shorts I have, minus my jean shorts, so I'm just gonna keep those. Lululemon leggings, keep black camo. Keep camo Align leggings. I'm wearing my black ones right now. Navy blue Align leggings and olive green Align leggings. I'm gonna keep that. Then I love this pair. It just doesn't fit that well. It's not Lululemon. It's like another off-brand. Cuts me right here and it makes me feel uncomfortable, especially if I eat a lot of hot Cheetos. Lululemon leggings. I'll keep this. I like these ones a lot. My Nike leggings. All I have is this pile over here. And now put all my Pose plyo tanks from Vuori somewhere. This says the Elevation plyo tank from Vuori. Then we have the black Pose plyo tank from Vuori, pink version, Abercrombie bodysuit. So because I had so many things, you can see all my stuff just got piled up into this corner. Pose plyo tank. All these are keep. Okay, this is a hand-me-down leggings. Get rid of. Another bodysuit from Abercrombie. Keep. I like using this as a pajama shirt. Olive, short sleeve, cotton. Here's a whole pile of pants that were hand-me-downs. So this is a Lululemon one. Aloe leggings from Aloe. I'm gonna get rid of it. Try. All I have left are my swimsuits and my underwear and socks. That's about it. But yeah, because I had so many things, I had to take all my fig scrubs and now they're on the floor. So hopefully they'll get a nice home in one of these little shelves here. Alright, you know those memes where it says, this escalated quickly?
I mean, that really got out of hand fast.
Yeah, this is how I feel. This is just crazy. Overwhelming how much clothes I had in that closet. Here, I did decide to get rid of 21 more items. I'm pretty happy about this. I decided to keep going. I got rid of a few more things from the underwear drawer, bra drawer, sock drawer, as well as my scarves. So you can see a lot of really random things in here. This pile is huge. I can't believe all that fit in there. I started reorganizing my closet as well. What I ended up doing is using these first 5 little fake shelf things for all my scrubs. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And then everything else, I kind of just categorized them so they're easy to pull out when I need it. And then I fixed up my underwear drawer, sock drawer, bra drawer, sports bras in here, all my Akko bras, and then down there I just have some mittens and just some headbands for when it is cold. I also just hung up like a couple sleep robes, and then in the other section here I decided to hang up my joggers. So you can see I have so much more space. Okay, as far as it goes, in my other side of my closet, I put all of my joggers here, slacks, jeans, jean shorts, and I have all the miscellaneous stuff. So I have wetsuit, dresses, just some business stuff. Okay, well, thank you so much for joining me on my journey. Definitely, it was 50% of my closet, maybe even a little bit more if you count all those underwears, and you know, I have a huge bag of all of that here. Alright, well, I hope this video was motivational for you if you want to get rid of a lot of stuff in your closet. So, you can do this. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!